Sira chigosori chia golf igaya kwana yali tuko ria osa kwantali tukulegoro ekera neta somo yega abugo kora chigosori echi chia golf asensemo ya Muthaiga ase county ya Nairobi mulikito Petronira Mokeira norobochirwa senchira yobekirano
Muraiwe Nseuru Kenyatta n'abaraibande amo no muraiwe kiama gia ODM Raila Odinga aba waziri Amina Mohamed Najib Balala Betty Maina na Eugene Wamalwa mbaikeranite asomo yega o Kenya Open Golf Tournament wo mwaka oyo oyuokoregete Muthaiga Golf Club aseri tuko lya igoro.
And as a government, and in appreciation of the sterling position golf has assumed in our society, and also to motivate our legendary and budding golfers, we have been setting aside close to $2.5 million every year towards organizing these world-class events and supporting the prize purse, and this we have done for the last 5 years. So ladies and gentlemen, I also want at this stage to acknowledge all the partners who have contributed to the success that we are witnessing today.
Nonya nabanigo muraiwense agokereteke minanekyo nagotebuna nigo egosori ya golf yarenge y'abantu bali babwate bitoki korende nigo yaonchoreirie nakoba egosori y'abantu bonsi.
Let me say what a great pleasure it is to be back here. As you said, the home of golf. And as everybody knows, golf in Kenya has had a very long history. And from its beginnings as a sport originally only for the social elite, golf today is now a game that truly demonstrates the face of Kenya, with players and fans from all walks of life.
Omo waziri we chigosori Amina Mohamed nigo atogetie omuraiwense asogosira chigosori na komenta buna nigo babekire merobelio elio kwena kiabuna egosori ya golf ngo bekwere ase chiskuru elio gosira golf asense ya Kenya.
Since we've also come up with a curriculum that we will be taking to KICD to ensure that golf is played in our schools and it becomes one of the programs that we run in our schools. We've dubbed it Golf Mashinani.
Ashun korwa China okonywa na Victor na Vilangwa nere obete omo wiyase keminanekyo chingaki awete chimilioni 35 nebere. Omo Kenya njoroge Kiburu nere obete omo wi o golf amacha abua somuraiwense atebete buna nigo agochikomosira njoroge oika ebirengo beigoro ase gosori eyu.
So today, in recognition of this young man who has done all of us proud, we have arranged that from this afternoon that we will sponsor him to go to the Sondal Open in Belgium.
Koripoti ya Ndizi TV, Petronira Mokeira.